Everyone keeps saying that Dehancer is the closest thing to real film. But is it really true? Or is it just another expensive plugin that doesn't hold up? Today we will find that out. I used it along multiple projects and can now give you my honest opinion about it. Disclaimer though, Dehancer is sponsoring this video. They reached out to me to make a review about it, and I thought it was a good opportunity to test it out and get it back to you. The only influence they have on this video is with a code, so you can get 10% off the product with this code right now, and yeah, feel free to do it. With that beside, let's start with the video. Dehancer is a film emulation suite for many different programs like After Effects, Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, but also Photoshop and Lightroom, and they have many things to do. They'll be taking a closer look at the Davinci Resolve plugin, and later we also do a quick rundown of the mobile app they have. Dehancer isn't just a LUT you put on. It simulates how film reacts to light and its grain, bloom, halation, and also film print behaviors. Inside Dehancer, I usually start with choosing my camera and my camera lock profile. There are a lot of different options, so choose the right one you have. After that, I am choosing a film stock. That sets the overall tone of my video. From there, I adjust the exposure and color to where the image sits nicely. And then I move to the grain. And here's a tip on that. Keep the grain size appropriate to your resolution. For 4K, stay on the smaller side, and for 1080p, as example, go a little bit bigger on it. After that comes halation and bloom. I just add enough so highlights glow nicely and not in a distracting way. At the end, I tweak like the film emulation. It's like the print on top of the film, and it really creates another huge impact on the image. Let's start positive, because there are really generally great things about the plugin. First, the look. If you take your time, the results are super organic. Especially skin tones, the colors, the highlight fall off. It all looks super soft and natural. Second, I really like the workflow of having the grain, the halation and the bloom in one place and don't put it on different nodes. Especially the grain in the Dehancer is the best I've ever used. The third point, with the halation. The halation, especially when you get like background lamps or neon lights in the background, it really creates like a filmic look about them, what the whole plugin is about. But yeah, the plugin isn't perfect. Dehancer is really heavy. I mean, not that heavy, like more heavy on your PC. You need like a really beefy PC to get Dehancer running smoothly on it. So have in mind that it really needs a lot of graphical power to recreate all the stuff. One big downside for me would also be the price. The price tag is really hefty. It starts at $30 monthly and goes up to $700 for a lifetime license, and that's quite some hefty price tag on it, especially when you consider that you can also learn the grading part in Davinci Resolve and maybe save just some money and put it somewhere else. And number 3 would be the speed. I think Dehancer is a plugin for a more professional use. You definitely need the time to create the look you want. You need the time to get used to the sliders, to all the film emulations and the stuff they put it in. So it's more, I think, for a higher end production than for a smaller, fast-paced crew that needs done some social media editing. In my opinion, that plugin will definitely slow you down with it. Now, before we get a final result of it, let's take just a quick look at the mobile app, because they also have a mobile version of it, and It's like nearly the same thing you get in DaVinci Resolve, but mostly for photos. And I really enjoyed it using it because especially when I take pictures with my phone, I want to recreate also the film look. I don't want the normal iPhone photos, so I had another app to do like some film emulation with it. But the Dehancer is really cool on it because you can change everything as in the normal plugin version in DaVinci Resolve, and it creates really nice results. It's not a professional grading tool. It's more like a creative playground where you can experiment with your photos. So, the last and important question. Is Dehancer worth it? If you love the film aesthetics, if you grade a lot, or you work on projects where mood really matters, yes, it's really fantastic to use it on, and it really also shines in that way. But if you just need quick, clean edits on short form content, this might be more than you need. For me, it's not an everyday tool. It's a stylistic choice. And the most of the time I also do social media stuff where this doesn't come in handy. But when I use it, it does deliver really well. Let me know your opinions down below in the comments about Dehancer and if it's worth it, if you already have it, if you want to have it, and what your workflow is about it, because I'm really interested in all kinds of Ray. So that was the video. See you on the next one. Bye.